time to elevate happiness, joy, success, personal brand. Yeah, I'm very lucky, I'm very happy that I'm sitting with an international superstar coach, not just a personal branding coach, but a life coach, a transformational speaker, and with wealth of experience all across the globe. So I'm very happy. Let's welcome Coach Shweta.
Namaskar. Thank you so much, Sunny, for having me on your show. It's an absolute delight, a pleasure to be with you and to create some happy moments, some lighter moments, some fun talks. Let's see how it goes.
I'm very, very thankful to you. I'm very happy and I'm very selfish. So, whatever subject I want to learn, I invite speakers. And it benefits so many schools that how we can become a better version. Students, teachers, parents learn through the show. So, please tell us what makes you you.
Well, I think in my case, I can definitely, with all the conviction and confidence, I can tell you that I am just being myself.
How do
I
you
resonate with every, right from my name to how I live. My name is Shweta, and I always tell people, you may have heard this name, but how would you remember me? Every time you get up in the morning and you see the bright light, that's Shweta. Every time you see hope in your life, that's Shweta. Shweta means bright, Shweta means white, Shweta means purity. It is symbol of hope. And that's the reason why the reason I don't give up, because I always look at my own name. I said, even if you throw me in dark, I am bound to glow. So, it's like I'm just living to my name. And of course, the legacy, I'm thankful to God that I've been raised by very strong women in my family, my grandmother and my mother. And I've been loved a lot. That makes a lot of difference, I believe. So I always emphasize, I tell people that give a very happy childhood to your children, because that lays the foundation of
yes.
what they can become. Not that the ones who are not that privileged will not make something out of their life, but it makes the journey a little easier. And happy souls, end of the day, the game ends on health and happiness. No matter what you have, if you ask anyone who is elderly person that what is it that you wish to have in your life, they'll just say, I want to be healthy and I want to be happy. Nobody would come and say that I want new Rolls Royce, or I want luxury vacation, or I want more money. No. End of the day, every tool that we want to acquire is to attain happiness in life. And that's what I tell people that, when the reason I chose personal branding was, I said, instead of you chasing someone else's life, trying to be someone else or trying to follow somebody else, why don't you become someone whom you want to see? If you like that poster, you be that poster boy or poster girl. Create your own identity, identify with yourself. Go more within rather than just going in the outside world. People are always talking about thinking outside the box. I said, why don't you have a look at the box? Look inside the box, what's there before you actually venture out, and then create something even more beautiful.
Very powerful.
So that's
very amazing. Lot of questions coming into my mind. Lot of powerful insights, spiritual thoughts, going inside, being you. So how do you remain you? Because you started by being yourself. So how do you connect inside and remain you?
Well, I definitely meditate. And again, thanks to my mother, she gave us a very open upbringing. We didn't know about our religion, forget the caste. And my father, he was a Vedic math scholar. He did his medicine study, and also he was an engineer. But he chose to become a teacher in Himachal because there people were not taking posts as principals or teachers. So he shifted from a modern fancy school, we shifted to a government school. And we saw the life, how deprived people were. And we realized that we were cribbing for no reason. Although I was very young, I was just in 3rd standard. And we realized that we had everything. We had rather more than what people need. And there were students who were really trying to make something out of their life. People were struggling. People were really living like a hard life, but they were happy, full of gratitude. And that human connect was even stronger. Pure souls. That, I think, kind of created a permanent shift in us. All of us, all my brothers, I'm the only daughter, we all became more spiritual because on hills, people are more connected with God. And nature is a perfect way to connect with God. So we could
Beautiful.
talk with leaves, with plants, with trees. There, they respect life in every form.
Yes.
You know, you don't go and hurt even an ant. You know, you talk to squirrels. So it's like you have friends who are not just humans. You have friends who is even a tree, even an animal. You know, so we walked along with snakes. सांप और नेवले की लड़ाई छुड़वाने के लिए हम वहां खड़े होते थे, ना कि उनको लड़ाने के लिए. You know, that kind of different, I think, way of life. So that exposure gave a different mindset to us. We became more fearless. Coming from Punjabi roots, we were anyway fearless. But that connectivity with God, connectivity with spirituality, with eternal power. You know, my mother said, you can name God whatever you want, but eventually it's one energy. It's like you can name it a light, you can call it energy, you can call it vibration, but always remember that you are carrying God within you. So you are responsible for what you do. The act of God or act of evil, it all comes from you. So God is nothing but a part of you. So it's up to you what you want to awaken. So that was, I think, something which marked somewhere very deep in our head, in our soul. So we respect every religion. So we kind of got disconnected, I would say, from religion, that we respect everything, but we are not connected at just a superficial level. We are more connected at the spiritual level. We are more connected with that. We don't yearn to see how God looks. No, it's the feeling. It's what you feel. And I always felt that as if the God is always with me. It's like, you know, he or she. It's like I don't imagine. I don't give myself an imaginary picture. It's like you feel the presence. You feel there is someone beside you, someone within you. And that keeps us moving. That keeps us more human. That's the case with me, and that's what I tell people. And I kind of try and give that kind of transformation through my coaching, through my work, through my meditation, that feel the presence. It's right there. And it helps.
You
As I
are
always
a coach.
say,
Yeah.
no, it's not. Coaching happened. I think I when I met Arfin Khan, I saw his promos and he said, you can meet me if you enroll for my course. So I had no clue what coaching was all about. And that's how just to meet him, I enrolled, and it kind of changed my life. So he said, why don't you help people in a more structured way and do something which you resonate with? Personal branding, again, because I completely believe in freedom of expression, freedom to be yourself. Don't fake. I don't do anything which is there to fake yourself. Don't fake your personality. Don't tell me that fake it till you make it. No, I always say make it so that you don't have to fake it. Ever. Why don't you do anything, any one work, any one thing which is substantial in your life, which brings a meaning to your life? Just do that. Just do that one thing, and that's it. You don't have to do 10 things. You don't have to do 1,000 things. Just be something before you become someone. You know, it all starts with one thing. And if you see my all the videos, I always end them by saying that one thing at a time. Just focus, go micro. Probably that's the best lesson which I learned while studying economics. Go micro. Have a macro view, but then go micro. Just start with one nano thing. That impact has a meaning. Every single step, every single thought has a meaning. Just pay attention to that, and your life keeps on transforming. Find yourself, identify who you are, enrich that, nourish yourself, and then keep growing. It's very simple.
You're truly a coach with a difference. Wherever we're
Thank
talking
you.
about personal branding, we're only talking transformation. We're not talking the outer makeup and the dress and the fancy things, the fancy watch, the digital watch. You're only talking about spirituality, connecting within. And it is not complete without mom and dad's values. So amazing. I'm sure you keep touching lives effortlessly and it runs in your blood. So much to learn from you.
Thank you.
Great. So, how do I bring in the magic in my life? And how do I discover, unleash my hero story?
Well, again, Sunny, we all have a hero within us. It's time for all of us to first accept ourselves the way we are. The biggest hurdle that a human being has created is this self-acceptance. I am not good enough. I should look like this. I should be like this. Someone else is better. वो कहावतें गलत नहीं निकली हैं जब कहते हैं कि the grass is always greener on the other side. Because that is how people have been conditioned. That's how they've been looking at life. ये देश अच्छा नहीं है. दूसरे देश में ज़्यादा तरक्की. If that was the case, why was everybody else running to your country? And this is the case with every country, not just one.
Yeah,
मेरे घर का हाँ मेरा शहर अच्छा नहीं है, वो अच्छा है. इसीलिए एक स्टेट से दूसरी स्टेट, एक सिटी से दूसरी सिटी, वो जो दौड़ है ना, as it is rightly said by another guide of mine, that how you do one thing is how you do everything. किसी लाइफ की अपनी एक चीज पर अगर आप ध्यान देना करें, शुरू करें, again boils down to one thing, that one thing. Pay attention to one thing. How do you do that? क्या आप सुबह उठ के अपना बेड ठीक कर रहे हो? आपने बेड बनाया, इट्स वन हैबिट. आपने खाना खाया, आप खाना कैसे खा रहे हैं, कैसे ले रहे हैं, कैसे खाना सामने वाले को परोस रहे हैं, कैसे खा रहे हैं, कैसे आपने अपने वहां से बर्तन जूठे उठाए कि नहीं उठाए, उठाए तो कहाँ रखे. ये छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं जो आपको आपकी अपनी पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट से अवगत करवाती हैं. Who you are. Embrace your weaknesses also. हैं ये मेरे फ्लॉज हैं, मेरे फ्रेकल्स हैं, मैं चाहूं तो मेकअप करके और अच्छी सुंदर बन के बैठ सकती हूँ. If I, being a woman, I always tell women, if I, being a woman, can dare to sit in front of a camera without any makeup, why can't you? Try it. कोई खा नहीं जाएगा आप. क्या होगा? किसी को आप अच्छे लगोगे, किसी को अच्छे नहीं लगोगे. लेकिन ये शक्ल तो एक दिन वैसे भी ढल जानी है, तो क्या करेंगे? What you can do is आप अपनी सीरत जरूर संवार सकते हैं. आप अपनी जो इनर स्ट्रेंथ है, एक्सटर्नल ब्यूटी के अलावा अगर हम अपनी इंटरनल ब्यूटी पर, अपनी क्वालिटीज पे काम करें, अपनी वीकनेसेस को पहचान कर उनको एक्सेप्ट करें एंड देन वर्क ऑन इट. उसमें आत्मग्लानि में नहीं बैठे. द गिल्ट दैट यू कल्टीवेट, यू नो, जिस पौधे को आप पानी दे रहे हैं वही पनपेगा. So you're seeding yourself either with the negative thinking or with acceptance, self-acceptance. Once you have self-acceptance, you will have self-love. You will start appreciating. हाँ मैं हूँ, थोड़ी सुस्त हूँ, कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा धीरे करती हूँ, ट्यूबलाइट ही हूँ, पर जलूंगी तो जरूर, धीरे धीरे ही सही. अब हर कोई तो एलईडी नहीं हो सकता ना कि एक बार बटन दबाया और एकदम बहुत ज्यादा लाइट आ गई. So we are all different. Not even 5 fingers. God didn't make them alike. They are all different. All children in one family, they're all different. We cannot be clone of somebody else. but we can always be the better version of ourselves. Just work on one thing at a time. एक अगर आपको लगता है कि आप में 100 कमियां हैं तो 100 के 100 मत देखिए. Just work at one thing, one flaw. Improve that. If you can change it, change it. If you cannot change it, leave it. Accept it. ऐसा है तो है. अगर मैं गोरी हूं तो ये मेरा ड्रॉबैक है, तो गोरी हूं तो क्या करूंगा? ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. लोग ऑपोजिट बोलते हैं, मैं बोलती हूँ मेरे लिए ड्रॉबैक. चलिए, एक्सेप्ट कर लीजिए. Like it's like you have to you have to also sometimes realize what is that bullshit story you've been telling yourself. Sometimes life is absolutely perfect. Only it's a matter of time when you start seeing others on ground reality level, not fictitious level. Don't look at somebody's Instagram page or the life that they're portraying. It's a perfect, happy life. Please get into the detail, we are all humans, we are all alike. सबकी लाइफ की वही प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं. सब हर पति के जोक पढ़िए, हर किसी की अपनी वाइफ के लिए एक सिमिलर जोक होता है. हर पत्नी की अपने पति के लिए एक ही शिकायत होती है. हर बच्चे की पेरेंट्स से, हर पेरेंट्स के बच्चे से वही छोटी मोटी प्यार भरी नोक झोंक हर रिश्ते में वैसी ही है. हर एम्प्लॉय अपने बॉस के लिए कुछ वैसे ही मजाक बना के रखता है. हर एम्प्लॉयर का अपने एम्प्लॉयज के लिए कुछ वैसे ही शिकायतें. सब जगह सेम है. Only thing which is different is how you look at yourself. You can change that. You may not be able to change entire world or their perspective, but you can definitely change your own perspective, your own, क्या कहूँ मैं, अपना नजरिया, अपना चश्मा बदल लीजिए और आपके नजारे खुद से बदल जाएंगे. नजरिया बदलेंगे तो नजारे बदलेंगे. So that's the true thing. And I think for me, it's not that I haven't gone through all these struggles.
Yeah.
Shifting from bigger city, going to a village, then getting connected with that village, and then leaving that village and coming to bigger city once again. Losing my father at early stage, coming back, to Delhi, my mother's city, and establishing ourselves. So we have also all together, I think my family, we went through a lot of turmoil, a lot of struggle, and finally found the ground that with one belief कि कभी भी रात रात नहीं रहती है, सुबह आएगी. Patience. You need to be patient and you need to be consistently keep on working towards your goal. वो जो अर्जुन की आंख है, ये एक मिसाल है हमारे लिए. Have that laser focus. Stay persistent. Consistency नहीं छोड़नी है. And that's what will make you to what you are. After losing my father, after losing my marriage, being single mother, the only lesson which I have learned is be grateful to whatever you have. Because अगर ये भी नहीं होता तो क्या होता? आप हैं और आपकी वजह से आपका अपना वजूद है और आपके आसपास आप बहुत सारे लोगों की जिंदगी में कंट्रीब्यूट कर पा रहे हैं. There is a difference that we all make in someone's life. So every time when I coach someone and person tells me that you have changed me, you made me a better human being, I always tell them, I said, I'm thankful to God that I've been a medium in making you realize that. It was always there within you.
आज भी ऐसे ही कुछ हो रहा है. See, I'm feeling very lucky because all the questions are getting answered automatically. I wanted to ask you, please tell us, how do you face challenges? How do you face all the ups and downs of life? You already answered. So I'm the beneficiary today. I'm a lucky beneficiary. So please tell us about your 5 happiest moments where you felt, aha, making parents proud, making yourself proud, making your kids proud. So what are those wow moments in your life?
Wow moments. There are so many. Just pick up 5. Oh my God. I only see happiness around me since I was a kid. So I think helping anyone right from my childhood, I felt very happy. I've always been a very helpful child, always like keen to Like किसी के घर भी गए हैं तो मैं कहूँगी मैं पानी की ट्रे ले जाती हूँ, like that. So every time someone appreciates that, yes, you've been doing something right, it makes me feel happy. When I started earning and I could contribute in my mother's struggle, that made me really happy. Uh, for my kids, I think every time when I see them, actually, it's not about me teaching them or even doing an act which is right so that they can pick it up. When my daughter wrote her first book while I was delivering a class for book writing, before I could even finish those 10 sessions, right after second session, she started writing a book. I can't tell you the joy, because somewhere it was indirectly I was wanting her to get into writing or reading, and she wrote it. Like, I can't tell you my joy, my happiness.
Without saying, without bossing, without
Yeah,
shouting, you better write, I want you to write. And
I don't do
it just
that.
happened,
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
Please go
it's
on.
like no.
These are really priceless
And
moments. That
yeah,
universe
those
makes it
are
happen.
definitely
Yeah. And helping and
absolutely.
giving. And I could also resonate a lot when you spoke about the shift of our inner persona that happens when we are amidst, the not so privileged in terms of resources. The have nots. I work with NGO. I could go back to those moments, have my little fulfilling moments. Yes, they are happier, they are big hearted, they are more grounded, and they are more connected. They are truly human. And somewhere
So true.
luxury or the distractions or the pleasure mentality is taking us away from those moments. So it
So
has
true.
been overall a priceless session with you, coaching session with you. So please go on with your happiest moments. Would love to hear more.
I think there was another one while I was visiting US. So I was there for some work for a few days, and I met people from different communities, and I saw similar sort of struggles of women over there, and even men, and different nationalities going through similar kind of thought process and that emotional turmoil, kind of that we are away from our mainland, but they're all there, settled there, working, establishing. Somebody had their business, somebody was working, startups. The stories that they shared, I can't tell you the connection that we created. And that probably 1 hour chat, all of us sitting together, eating Indian food. Best was, I think, the saag that I ate in California was absolutely same taste what I had in Punjab, which I couldn't even get in
Beautiful.
Delhi, nowhere
Yes,
else. But and I called up my mom and I was like, pata hai, Punjab wala saag maine yahan aake khaya.
it is a big
And
joy.
over the food, the way we created that bond, and I just happened to ask them, simple questions. I said, the way you feel now, what will happen if you stay just like this? Just ask yourself. If you always have to live with the same feeling, and I remember the girl, her origins are from Philippines, and she was like, no way. I said, that's it. I said, always remember this thing. If you feel scared to move ahead, to do anything new, and you think it is risky, always think of one consequence, that if you stay like this, you will have to live with this fear throughout your life. If you're ready to be scared and living like this in a shell, be like this. But
We
if
all
you
need a
really,
coach.
really
We all
want
need
to
Sheetal.
break,
We all need Shweta. Yes.
so I'm glad that we're still connected. It's been I think 3 years, and they still write to me, and I'm waiting to go back now. I think things are getting pretty back to normal, so hopefully I'll be visiting them soon.
Superb.
But yes, life is very small. People are same. Whether I go to Oman or to Dubai or Abu Dhabi, you go anywhere. I find people absolutely same, especially Arabs. I think I find too much of similarity. I've lived also in Dubai. People are same. They are really same. There's not much of difference. They're equal. Amount of joy that we share and the dilemmas that people have. It's almost similar everywhere.
Beautiful.
It's just that हम लोग चश्मे बदल लेते हैं. That's it.
Exactly. And the body, mind, and the soul, all of us have the same vehicles or the tools or the instruments. So let us keep sharpening and polishing ourselves with your personal branding. Break away the shackles and live a life of emotional and financial freedom. बहुत मुश्किल से रट्टा वट्टा मार के आया हूँ मैं. Very difficult.
वो आप जो बता
हालत
रहे हैं
हो जाती है मेरी.
ना, हाँ, वो आपने पढ़ा है मेरी आजादी के बारे में. That was my first program, मेरी आजादी. मेरी आजादी was all about. I said before I give you financial freedom plan, it all boils down to one thing, that if your emotions are not in place, no matter what you do, no matter what kind of blueprint I give you, you will again fall. या तो आप उसे कंप्लीट कर पाओगे, अगर कंप्लीट कर भी लिया, again you'll fall back. Why? Because your emotions are not in place.
And I will not be happy with 1 crore bank balance, whether it is dirhams or dollars.
Absolutely.
So we all need Shweta, no choice. So please keep coaching us and keep inspiring millions. So we wish you the best.
Thank you.
And we can't thank you in words for your priceless, precious, invaluable gems. Keep smiling and more power to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.